Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python tuple collection with slicings. So first of all, what is this tuple collection in Python programming? So it is a sequence data type. So tuple is ordered collection of data or collection of data elements, and tuple provides indexes to the collection of elements, and tuple data is immutable, which means that original data cannot be modified, updated or deleted. And tuple stores same type of data as well as different type of data, and tuple values are given in circle brackets. Okay, they are given in circle brackets and they are separated with commas. For example, you can take here like this: tuple 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So here tuple is a read-only version of list. So list is mutable, original data can be modified, whereas tuple is immutable. And coming to tuple indexes, it supports both positive and negative indexes. So the positive indexes are included with 0 to n minus 1, first to last forward direction. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this tuple, the indexes goes like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We also have negative indexes, last to first in backward direction, which is minus 1 to minus 5. Okay, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So what is slicing? So slicing means getting only required elements from a tuple, like subtuple, like subsets. And this slicing is done with the help of indexes and slice operator, which is square brackets. Right. So the syntax goes like this for the tuple slicing: tuple of starting index colon ending index. So here ending index element is not taken into consideration. For example, if you take tuple of 0, 4, it will take only 0, 1, 2, 3 elements. It will not take end index elements. Similarly, tuple of minus 4, minus 1, so it will take 22, 33, 44. Minus 1 is not included. So let us try to demonstrate this slicing with both positive indexes and negative indexes in a small program. Python tuple example 3. So let us take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. Next, I'm taking a tuple in circle brackets with 5 elements: 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative indexes are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So let us try to do all the operations one by one. Positive, negative. So print tuple 1, 0, 4. So 0, 11, 22, 33, 44. Fourth index is not included. Next, 0, 5. So anyhow we don't have fifth index, so it will take 11 to 55. Fifth index is not there. Similarly, 0 to 6, you will not get any error. It will take only till, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us check it out whether it is including all the elements or not. So come to the prompt where you have saved this and run it. Python tuple example 3. Right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth index is not included. So 0 to 5, it will take 0 to 4 only. Fifth index is not included, anyhow it is not there. 0 to 6, it will take 0 to 5, anyhow we don't have fifth index and sixth index. You will not get any error. So next let us take Python tuple 1. Ending index I'm not giving. So whenever we are not giving ending index, it will take till the last index, which is 4, even that is included. Similarly, tuple of beginning index is not there, so it will start from 0 to 4. So 4 is the ending index, which is not included. Right, run it. So if you see here, 1, 22. So 22, 33, 44, 55, ending index is also included since we did not give it. Next, tuple 1, beginning index to fourth index is not included. 11, 22, 33, 44. Right. So next let us use without starting index tuple, no starting index, no ending index, both are included, 0 to 4. So save it and run. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, both are included. Next, let us take negative indexes. So -5 to -1. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1 is not included. Next, -5 to 0. So actually 0 is a valid index. So -5 is 11. 0 is also 11. So here we are going to get a empty tuple. Okay. Right, in the previous case, -5, -4, -3, -2. Next, let us go for -5, 1. So -5, first element, 1 is the second element. So second element is not included. You will get only -5, which is 11. So combination of positive and negative indexes. Next, -5 to 4, -5, -4, -3, -2. 55 is -1 or 4. So 55 is not included. Combination of negative and positive. So we just got 11, which is -5, 1. 1 is not included. So -5 to -4. Okay. And here, in this case, 4 is not included. Right. So next, let us take -5. And I'm not giving the ending index. Okay. So in this case, it will take -5, -4, -3, -2, -1 is also included since we are not giving the ending index. Next case. So tuple 1 of beginning index is not given. So it will start from -5 to -1. So since you are giving ending index, it is not included. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1 is not included. So next, tuple of, okay, here we are not giving beginning index, ending index. So it will take first to last, both are inclusive. 11 to 55, 0 to 4, or -5 to -1. So this is how we are supposed to work with tuple collection slicing using index and square brackets. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative indexes -5 to -1. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.